as moments fly. Echoes of freedom fill the air. Mount Carmel shines, a spirit so rare. Mount Carmel, hearts so free. Together we sing in unity. Red, white, green, the colors play, celebrating Independence Day. Children march with heads held tall, dreams of a nation in the school hall. Every step, a story to tell. In Chickamauga, our pride will swell. The drums go boom, the trumpets sing. Voices rise, let freedom ring. A pledge of love, a bond so strong. For our country we belong. Oh, Mount Carmel, hearts so free. Together we sing in unity. Red, white, green, the colors play, celebrating Independence Day. Drums go boom, the trumpets sing. Voices rise, let freedom ring. A pledge of love, a bond so strong. For our country we belong. Oh, Mount Carmel, hearts so free. Together we sing in unity. Red, white, green, the colors play, celebrating Independence Day. Oh, Mount Carmel, hearts so free. Together we sing in unity. Red, white, green, the colors play, celebrating Independence Day. Independence Day. Children march with heads held tall, dreams of a nation in the school hall. Every step, a story to tell. In Chickamauga, our pride will swell. Flags waving high in the golden sky, laughter and cheers as moments fly. Echoes of freedom fill the air. Mount Carmel shines, a spirit so rare. Mount Carmel, hearts so free. Together we sing in unity. Red, white, green, the colors play, celebrating Independence Day. Children march with heads held tall, dreams of a nation in the school hall. Every step, a story to tell. In Chickamauga, our pride will swell. The drums go boom, the trumpets sing. Voices rise, let freedom ring. A pledge of love, a bond so strong. For our country we belong. Oh, Mount Carmel, hearts so free. Together we